We're at Mirror Park over here behind the stage. Alright, I just wanted to see. Huh? Alright, guys.
You feel it in your body too.
I just realized that's in the sky too. You can only imagine that thing exploding nearby. Oh, that was so
I would have
cool.
to say you picked a
Like,
pretty
it's
good
like
spot.
embers falling.
I just realized something. There's a cloud shaped like a heart over there.
That was an apple.
Oh, this is already so wicked. Man, that thing looks like
I
rubies.
love those.
Yeah.
Those are my favorite.
I love the one they had where it had like it looked like fireflies flying in the sky.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Whoa.
Yeah,
That
is.
one looks like Cephalon.
Oh, that's it right there. I love those.
The Weeping Willow ones.
I love them. They got that little trail
Remember that
hanging off them.
Demo we made together. Pop rocks.
Yeah.
If you think of it, it feels like a game.
That looked like, I don't know what that was, but it looked cool.
Oh.
That one was.
That was
my
definitely
God.
I like how it twinkled out.
It's Blacephalon, man.
Oh, look at that.
That's supposed
That's
to be
cool.
shooting stars. Look at that. That's Blacephalon.
Hey, what's up? What's up? Hello? What's up? Oh, I was just talking to y'all, just let y'all know we're here. I don't know where y'all are at. I'm
Love
over
the
here on
glow
the
of
back
those.
side of the stage.
The rubies, man.
Oh, yeah, we're not even close to there, man. Yeah.
These are like
So,
some
yeah, I'll
of the
catch up
prettiest
with y'all
fireworks.
after.
Yeah.
All right, man, enjoy.
Wow.
All right, we see you. All right. Dude, the
That was a
You
good
can't tell
boom.
me that these aren't like.
No, like the way it
each one of
looks.
them is like $100 or more a pop.
You know
Yeah.
for sure, but they're worth every penny for the way they do these.
Oh, I love it. Hashtag night owl. Whoop, whoop.
Oh,
That one was cool.
Oh, that was gorgeous.
oh, that was wicked.
I bet you me and you are gonna get some inspiration from this
Legit.
for like drawing a firework related character. Look at that.
Like just the way they're just singles.
I remember on the last 4th of July, I got my star from a sparkler.
Yeah, it's sparkler.
It's still early, kid. You want another one?
Nah, I'm good.
It happened.
I already got one. I don't think I need another.
That was gorgeous.
Love the rain sound.
Oh.
Bucephalon!
Yeah.
That's Bucephalon.
Like when it does that firefly or sparkle effect, it's just. Whoa.
I don't know.
Like
That
that
one might.
stars.
I think that was done.
Nah, definitely not a dud. That's a
Oh.
good thing.
Oh. Just gotta hope nothing happens. And you know the grand finale is just like Bucephalon.
It's gonna be that
It's wild.
big.
Come to think of it, if an exercitry was here, bro would be absolutely
Befuddled.
be like, is that a Bucephalon doing that?
Like, oh, the sparkle.
Telltale?
Yeah. I go.
Easter on the last day.
Nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're making also this one. Oh.
Yummers.
Wow.
You know, if we manage to find like a phone or like a camera that has like the ability to like
Adjust to flares. Yeah,
the
glare.
phone to like go
Oh.
ahead and adjust it to where you can see it like
Yeah.
how you see it in the actual thing.
Yeah, with your actual eyes.
Yeah.
It would probably look way different for me too with glasses on. But even then, I can still see amazing this is.
No, it's a lot more boring without the glass or with your glasses. I took mine off. It is gorgeous.
I know, especially with like the glare light. Oh, that galaxy right here. I can't. Them sparkles.
Look at
I
that.
wonder how much you. Oh, that one didn't go off right. Ooh.
Wow.
You could tell
Can you
by how
imagine
far
being
they
the
go
first people to ever make a firework?
And being the first to see that happen, you don't even know what that is.
Wow.
Oh man.
up. Bobby, we could make perfect entities like these.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you think of it, that looks like an entity. Just like an entity flying up.
My favorite thing.
That
is,
one
like,
didn't go
you
off.
can make shapes.
Oh, never mind.
That's my favorite. The way it just like flickers
The crickle. Yeah.
every bit of those.
Oh, that
That is
one right
wicked.
there. That was nice.
That is awesome. Galaxy.
No, that just looks like a planet.
Yeah, that's what it looked for me. It looked like one of those galaxies with like the wormhole through it. Pac-Man?
Pac-Man?
Oh, that one's wicked. Smiley
Smiley
face.
face.
I don't know about that
Look
one.
at that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, make it such a favorite thing.
Oh.
Oh, yo.
Yo.
The rubies is like favorite.
My favorite has to be the shooting stars.
Mm-hmm.
That was
Mine right there is that rain.
the rain shooting stars.
That one's pretty cool.
Holy shit, that was amazing.
That's the shooting stars again. The shooting stars. Look at them. They're so pretty.
These are some damn beautiful fireworks.
Look at that.
Damn.